I won't lie, bro. After seeing this video, I am not using JavaScript anymore, and you always see why. This software literally is the best software in the world. Like what I've heard about what this can do, and I'll just summarize it. It basically like you can build like let's just say like an application website a or login or whatever type of website, and basically this Spring Boot application can understand what you're trying to do and basically create like the backend functionalities for that website. So instead of you JavaScript having to like go through these servers and build all the different functions and stuff with Spring Boot now, like you simply can just type in a simple bit of code and it basically handles all the logic from there to like basically keep it as simple. But I'm gonna let the video play.
A Java framework for building applications
Oh,
was
sorry.
released by Spring Boot, a Java framework for building applications, was released by Pivotal in 2014. Since then, it's become the go-to way to write production-ready Java apps without drowning in XML misery. Back in the dark ages, setting up a Java web app meant configuring application servers, wiring dependencies manually, and praying you didn't misspell a bean name. Spring Boot said, forget that.
Forget about it!
At its core, Spring Boot is just regular Spring, but with a ton of magic sprinkled on top. First, auto configuration. It looks at your project and guesses what you're trying to build. Then
Yeah, this is a big part about this. What like when he said this, I was in heaven. I was like, wait, what you trying to tell me that I can install this application and it understands exactly what I'm trying to do? I was like, bro, this is heaven right here, man.
top. First, auto configuration. It looks at your project and guesses what you're trying to build, then wires everything up for you. If you have Spring
But I wanna he did say guess, and that guess is a very big word to be honest. You know that guess is a very big word. So I mean, I haven't used it before, but I'll let you. I'll get you my. I will once I use that. I'll get you to. I'll give you my feedback on it.
web on the class path, congratulations. You suddenly have a web server running. Then there's the embedded server, which means you don't have to deploy to Tomcat or Jetty anymore. The server is built right into your app. Just run it and boom. Localhost 8080 is live and ready to go. Spring Boot also comes with starter dependencies, which are basically curated bundles of libraries. Instead of hunting down 5 different dependencies to set up a database connection, you just add Spring Boot starter data JPA and you're done. It's like ordering the combo meal instead of a la carte. So why does everyone love it? Because it makes Java development actually tolerable. You can spin up a REST API with just a single class and a couple of annotations. For example, slap a REST controller on a class, add a getMapping hello method that returns instructions that you should absolutely do, and you've just built an API in 10 lines of code.
Do it!
That used to take days of setup. And this isn't just for hobby projects. Big companies, banks, and e-commerce platforms run Spring Boot apps in production every single day. Netflix uses it for parts of their backend. Amazon uses
Yeah. So basically that's like really what I want to show you all that. Yeah, man. This like Spring Boot application. Yeah, I'm going to use it in my next project, and I'll let you all know how that basically goes because this is like once I saw this video about it, like I told you I was in heaven, man. I was like, bro, this cannot be, man. Like remember that song, Is This Heaven or something like that? Like, yeah, bro. This is heaven with that application, man. So now let's move on to this one here. I wanted to, I never saw on this. It says doc database in 100 seconds. I don't know what this is. Well, clearly it is a database. So it's some type of application with a database. And yeah, let's get into it.